Hey guys, it's One Click Lindsay on this beautiful Tuesday morning. I'm just gonna check my iPad, make sure we are all set. Here we are. How are you guys doing today? Say hello if you're out there. Oh, there we go. Hi. One Click Lindsay. Today we are talking about 8 essential must-haves for any of your websites. So this is the L in Land in this really cool book called The Click Technique. Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it yet? It's my book, okay? Go buy it on Amazon. It's the #1 bestseller on Amazon. Hey, Trudy, how's it going? Mwah! So we're talking L for Land. 8. Hey, Dorsey, how are you? 8 critical must-haves for any website. So L in Land is sometimes, Sally, glad you could make it. L for Land in the book is sometimes confused with landing pages, but it's really not. L for Land is for any place that you send website visitors, whether it be a landing page or a regular website, whatever the case may be. These are 8 critical things that your website must have. We're going to cover them all in less than 10 minutes. But before we do that, Glenn, nice to see you. But before we do that, a big shout out to one of my customers, Pat Rombaletti. She wrote a book called Bulletproof Your Career. We helped her with all of her digital marketing for this book launch so that she could wake up this morning and be a #1 hot new release on Amazon. Yeah, so big shout out to her. Go check out her book, Bulletproof Your Career. She's amazing. Hey, Judy. So big FYI to you guys. If you have a book, if you're planning on writing a book, make sure you get in contact with us so that we can help you launch it so you can be a #1 bestseller like Pat and I. So yes. And a quick shout out. My name is One Click Lindsay. I'm with trafficandleads.com. We do all things digital marketing, Facebook ads, landing pages, SEO, pay-per-click, email marketing, all those things that will drive never-ending traffic and leads to your website. You know who to call, trafficandleads.com. That's me, okay? And also, if you're struggling with digital marketing, I have an answer for you. Go to trafficandleadsmembership.com. It'll be the best $97 you've ever spent because my team and I will be there to answer all of your digital marketing questions. You know, you guys have had a problem with MailChimp before. You're banging your head against the wall, right? And you can't figure it out. And you're like going down this hole of searching for the answer. Well, you could just ask me for $97. I'll be right there. Not only that, we'll get on Zoom with you. We have trainings. We have one-on-ones. We have hot seats. We have a million things. So go check it out, trafficandleadsmembership.com. Dawn, how's it going? It's really nice to see you this morning. So 8 critical things. Do you guys want to make some guesses at what those are? I would love to know if you guys know while I pull up my slides. When I say 8 critical things that your website must have, what are they? Does anybody know? Does anybody know? Give me your best guess. Give me your best guess. And here are my slides. Hopefully you guys can see them. So the click technique, L for Land. That one doesn't apply. Prepare for landing. Pop up, Dorsey. Yes. What else we got? Curiosity, Judy. That's the C. Videos, John. Nice guess. And both Judy and John are right, but that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm sorry. A pop-up, Sally, for the win. Yeah. We should get some Click Technique Jeopardy going on. We will towards the middle of the month. Contact info, Glenn. Nice try. Absolutely essential, but not part of my slides. All of these are great ideas. What I'm talking about, pop-up. I think 2 people said that. Email sign-up, Dawn. Excellent work. Pop-up. Okay, so you need a pop. Oh, this slide's a little odd. You need a pop-up that hooks into an email marketing platform for sure. Phil, absolutely. Trudy, you must be a student or like you must be in my membership program because you're absolutely right. Facebook Pixel. I hate pop-up. Okay, John. Okay, everyone else, can you guys go away while John and I have this little talk? Okay, John, listen. I know you hate pop-ups. Everybody hates pop-ups until you put a pop-up on your website and your opt-in rates go to 80%. Or until you're at a website and a pop-up shows up showing you the ultimate guide to XYZ123 that you've been searching for all of your life. And yes, you, John, even you will put your name in there and sign up for an email list. You will, because they work. Sorry, gotta have a pop-up. You're absolutely right. Next thing, and this was mentioned by, I believe this was Trudy, you have to have a Facebook pixel installed. How many here have a Facebook pixel installed? If you don't know, if you're using Chrome, there's a little plugin called the Facebook Pixel Helper. And there's a little, it will, in your little browser, it'll put a little thing and it will tell you if you have a Facebook pixel installed or not. Tim, what's up? Like Lindsay says, don't do this. Oh, shoot, that is not showing up, but I'm going to laugh at that later, Judy, because I bet it's funny. Okay. So Facebook pixel, I don't care if you're planning on Facebook marketing now or never, but I'm telling you, maybe you'll change your mind. So get the Facebook pixel installed on your website ASAP, because what it will do is it will start tracking everybody who comes to your website. It'll totally remember them. And then when you're ready to start marketing, you say, hey, Facebook, remember those 30 people, or remember all those people that visited my website in the last 30 days? We'll show them this ad. And guess what? They will buy from you more likely because they're a warm audience. And then you can say, hey, Facebook, you know everything about us. You know what brands we like, what time we wake up, if we're a Trump supporter or not, who our friends are, you know everything about us. Remember all those people who visited my website, or even better, all those people who bought from me? Create a lookalike audience of them. Go find 1 million people that look just like them and let me market to them. Because if these guys like it, these guys are totally going to like it. Next, start tracking. Google Analytics. I know. Believe me. I know it can be overwhelming. I mean, look at just this slide. It's overwhelming. It just has so many numbers and all of these things, right? And it can be really overwhelming, but go and get it installed. So then when you come and hire me, One Click Lindsay at trafficandleads.com to do digital marketing for you and generate traffic and leads for you through digital marketing, you'll have Google Analytics on there. And I'll know who came to your website, how long they stayed, where the holes are, what we need to plug, what the most popular ones are, what PDFs we need to make, blah, 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 blah. The list goes on. Just get it on there. I'm not asking you to look at it. I'm not asking you to analyze it. I'm just asking you to put this free piece of software on all of your websites. All right. John, if you hate pop-ups, your business won't succeed. Do them. They were, oh, Glenn, well, his business might succeed, Glenn. That might be a little bit harsh. Glenn brings the truth bomb, but it will help you grow your email list a lot faster. Sorry, I had to be gentle, Glenn. I know John and I had this one-on-one earlier this morning. Are Google Analytics the same as UTMs? No, they are not. No, they are not. So go get Google Analytics installed. I can do a training on that a little bit later, but I do like to keep these to 15 minutes. So what time is it? 8:10. Oh, no. Okay. Next. Mobile responsive. In today's day and age, there is no reason why your website should not be mobile responsive. I put a picture on the slide of what a mobile responsive website looks like. It looks awesome on all devices. Now, it's important that your website is mobile responsive for a few reasons. That's right, Judy. Glenn is having a baby. Oh, Glenn, it's so much fun. And it's a mix of emotions. I love babies. So I'm a little bit jealous. Okay, so not only will over 50% of your website visitors visit on a mobile device, friends, but Google says, hey, if your website's not mobile friendly, then I'm not going to rank you as high. So everyone and everything is telling you your website must be mobile responsive. Now there's a cool little test you can run. You go out to Google, is my website mobile responsive? You will get to this URL, which you don't need to write down because you can just Google it. You put your URL in and Google will spit out, yes, your website is mobile responsive. No, your website is not mobile responsive. Your website must be mobile responsive, 100%. If you have a website from 10 years ago and it's not, there's no reason not to have a nice website now with Squarespace and WordPress themes and all these other Wix, all these other things. There's no reason why it shouldn't be. Okay. Next, clean code. Same thing. If your website is ugly, if your website looks like it's from 10 years ago, it's not going to help. And there is not a reason, because all of these platforms are out there to help you have a decent looking website very inexpensively. Of course, you can come to me, trafficandleads.com. We can make you a beautiful custom website, right? But you don't have to do that. You can just get a nice website. So don't have a crappy website. Next, fast loading. This is important, as similar to mobile responsiveness. It's important that your website is fast loading for a couple of reasons. Your users, if your website takes too long to load, are going to turn around and walk away. I'm back. And Google is going to say, hey, your website is not fast loading. We are going to punish you. It is one of those many factors of SEO in determining who comes up first in search engines, is that your website is fast loading. Do you guys see that, Nat? Okay. And finally, and I just had the conversation with, you guys like this now, don't you? Hey, Pay, how's it going? Is that your website has an SSL. So you guys need to make sure that your website has an SSL. This is something kind of new. Again, this is part of Google saying that your website can rank higher is if it has an SSL. And now if you use Google Chrome and a website does not have an SSL, people will get this big message that says this website has been taken over by may have been taken over by a spammer. Are you sure you want to go there? Now, I don't know about your customers, but my customers are probably not loyal enough to visit my website if they get a big fat error that says, you're about to get a virus. So go get an SSL installed on your website, call your host, call your web developer. If it's more than $70, you can probably get them for $50 a year now. If it's more than $50 a year, let me know. We can help you out. Okay. Are you saying my product have ADD? Yes, John, they all do. All website users have ADD. Yes, my new reseller account includes an SSL for every domain. Love it. Wonderful, Sally. We don't need to talk about that. We don't need to talk about that. That's it. Do you guys like how I use kind of like old slides from a talk I did? Going live at 8 a.m. You got to do what you can. I am here to deliver a message. Okay. It's about time to go. You guys are amazing. And thank you for joining me today. So everybody knows what the 8 essential things your website must have, right? Do you think I had 8? Let's go over them. An SSL has to be mobile friendly. It has to have a Facebook pixel. It has to have Google Analytics. It has to have clean code. It has to be fast, and it has to be modern. And did I say Google Analytics? Did I lie to you? Is there not 8 reasons? I'm sure there's another one in there because I came up with 8 at 4 a.m. this morning because I'm an early bird. Okay, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. What time am I here every morning? 8 a.m. every single morning in October. Excellent. Need the pop-up, but oh yes, pop-up 8. Judy, you saved me. You're welcome, Phil. I am the Linzmeister. Thank you, Sally. How did I forget? So I didn't lie. It was 8. And all of you are going to hop over to trafficandleadsmembership.com. You're going to get signed up for $97 because if you find this valuable, you're going to find that hella valuable. In fact, I'm going to change my tagline to say this is hella valuable. Okay. Friends, until next time, have a fabulous, fabulous day. Bye, Dawn. Nice to see you.